They win over the K-Wings in the finale at the Bank Tank, and the Brabham Cup is theirs as the points champion. Brandon Hawkins is a points champion, challenging 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 club record. Hard angle shot makes it 2-1 after one. He'd finish 1 goal shy of Bonus's record with 35 goals. They never look back after that. Have you heard? Mitchell Hurd has himself a night. Not 1, not 2, 3 goals. This one makes it 4-1. 4 goals in 2 minutes and 40 seconds breaks the game wide open. 7-1 after the second. Walleye roll to a 9-2 dub. 49-19-2 this season, rolling into the playoffs against Cincy with home ice and the first round at full steam.
It's a grinding season. There's a lot of things that go into it, but just the way our guys prepared every single day, I think that's the biggest thing is, they prepared for practice, they prepared for games, they enjoyed coming to the rink every single day with each other, and, just a really close-knit group. So happy they were able to get it done here at home tonight. Central Division, I think it's one of the best divisions, if not the best division in the ECHL, and every single team's going to be hard. They've got their weaknesses, they've got their strengths, and it's our job to be prepared for them, which we will as a staff and as a team before we hit the ice Friday night.
Kevin Peel and Claire Dow, more of this team and more of you still to go.
Thanks. The Toledo Walleye with an impressive victory here at the Huntington Center, 9-2. This was supposed to be just a 1-1 game going to the first intermission, Claire, and then Brandon Hawkins scores this impossible goal from the right circle to make it 2-1, 5-goal second period, game over.
Really set the tone for Toledo, and the best part was that even though they scored 5 goals in the second period and they really had the game pretty much put away by the start of the third, they didn't let up.
Yeah, their focus was locked in all night. And Kalamazoo really had a good strategy on the power play. They were 2 for 2 on the power play here tonight, Claire. But nonetheless, even with the Wings scoring twice on the power play, the Walleye found ways to score on the power play.
And just unique scores that I've never seen. I mean, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 from behind the net, banking it in off of Kylie's left shoulder. And then you had that unreal angle that Hawkins had to finish out that first period. Just highlight-worthy goals for sure. And I'm sure Top 5 Plays should feature 1, if not 2, maybe 3 of them on Monday on Sports Nightly.
Brabham Cup champions are the Toledo Walleye, ECHL's best record, just an incredible accomplishment, and they've done it all the right way. They clinched playoff status by winning. They clinched the division by winning, and today they didn't rely on a Reading loss.
They are far from finished, and I think they'll celebrate tonight and then turn around tomorrow and focus on Cincinnati, but they have home ice, which was the goal. Again, they have that long laundry list of to-do where they wanted to make the playoffs. Check. Central Division champs. Check. Now they have the Brabham Cup. Next up, Kelly Cup champions. So it all starts on Friday. Get your tickets now on ToledoWalleye.com.
7:35 puck drop. The Cincinnati Cyclones will be in town to start that first round series against the Walleye. Best of luck the rest of the way. Should be a fun playoff run for Toledo.